Hello and welcome back to the series where I show you some drawings that I've done and we talk about it. This is a fan art drawing that I did of Goku from Dragon Ball Z, and as you can tell the hair color is not accurate at all. It's purple and blue. Just wanted to make my own style, make it different. And this around here also isn't in the picture, or it's not in the Dragon Ball Z picture that I use as my reference. And so I added that to it with colored pencil, and this here, this marker, and used a micron pen for a lot of the lines to get the detail in. And the paper is a Strathmore drawing sketch paper, and I showed that in another video where I talked about my different sketchbooks. And so in this I used that paper, and it actually works pretty good for a finished type of artwork, even though it's sketch paper. And so I used that for it. And also I used some white gouache paint for some of the white areas in it. And once I got the outline and everything done and a lot of the coloring added into it, I went back in with the micron pen and I added a lot of the lines around it and everything, because it kind of got like washed out and you couldn't see the lines very well when I went over it with a colored pencil or I added the white gouache to it. And to me the most difficult part was probably drawing this area around here where his face and neck is, because there's so many different shades of colors and all that. And the hair was also pretty difficult because I had to make it in the right order. I had to have purple and blue and then white, and the coloring got to be pretty monotonous after a while because I had to make it red, or like a purple, a red, and orange, a yellow, then a white. And so I just added it around it, give it my own look. But I liked how it turned out, and this is my first fan art drawing that I've ever done. And I did this one in 2013 as well. And I've always been a really big Dragon Ball Z fan. I've watched the recent Dragon Ball Super, and I enjoyed how that turned out. It was turned out to be pretty good. And growing up, I always watched Dragon Ball Z. It was a really fun cartoon for me, and I remember watching it when I was younger. My mom would always turn it on whenever I was misbehaving or something, and if I wasn't listening to her, and that'd always keep me out of trouble and distract me. So I think a lot of kids always had that as a cartoon they really liked as a kid. They always looked up to the characters in it, and they had some good characters in there that were good role models for people. And so I just wanted to make this as a piece of fan art, and it's a good reminder of my childhood and growing up and everything. And so if you have any more questions about drawings or anything, ones you'd like to see in the future, just let me know and I'll get back with you about it. And if you have any drawing suggestions of what you want me to draw, and especially if you see more fan art like this of Goku or any Dragon Ball Z, I think I will probably do some Dragon Ball Super characters, because there's newer ones that have come out recently from the new series. And so just let me know if you have any suggestions, and if you want me to draw some that are different with different colors like this and different designs and everything, let me know and I'll give it a try. But for now, thanks for stopping by and watching, and have a good day.